Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Sara Almadi. Today, we are going to have a general look about Python. So, actually, usually when we read the Python word, there are three questions comes to our mind. The first question is, what is Python? Actually, nowadays, the world considers Python as the world's fastest growing programming language. Why? Because Python is an open source programming language, which is mean it's free, and also is a high level programming language. That's mean Python is hiding the details of the computer and providing an abstraction. That's mean the code is easy to be learned and understand because it's more to the English language. Python is an object-oriented programming language. It's organized around objects rather than actions. Python is an interpreted programming language. No need to compile it. It has been interpreted by Python interpreter. Anyone can use Python, as we can see here. It's not only limited for the software engineers, also the data analysts can use it, scientists can use it, accountants can use it, network engineers also can learn and use Python to achieve different tasks and for many purposes. So what we can do with Python? Python actually has been widely used for solving different problems, from the complex problem to very easy and daily problems. For example, as we can see here, Python is used to do some data analysis and visualization. Python can also be used in the AI discipline for developing and training the AI models and applications. Python also can be used for the people who are dealing with something like daily or routinely, such as, for example, some people they need to deal with the spreadsheets every day, and they need to deal with some files further rename them or upload them to the server. And they also they need to download some websites and parse them. All of these activities, the daily activities or the routine activities, can be done by Python and by just writing a very simple Python script and automate all of these activities. So Python can also be used widely for the automation stuff. And also Python can be used for developing web application, mobile application, computer applications, or desktop application, and also for doing different and more difficult or complicated, we can say, tasks such as software testing and hacking, and for many, many different purposes. So Python is a programming language or multi-purpose programming language, can be used by different people from different discipline and also for solving different problems from complex and complicated problem to the simple problem. So why Python is it so popular? Python is so popular for different reasons as we can see here in this slide. Python considers as a very powerful programming language for solving the complex problem with saving the time and also providing fewer lines of code. So here I have provided a simple example to show how Python can solve a problem with saving our time and also with writing a fewer lines of code. For example, here we have the string hello world. Let's assume that we want to extract the H, E, L letters from this string. So here I showed that if we want to use the C# programming language, we are going to use this line of code to just extract the first and second, third letter of this text. Okay, so let's assume here that we use a JavaScript. Also, we need to write this line of code and specify the index and length to extract the HEL letters. But if we use Python, it's very clear here how the line of code is very small, very straightforward, and very clear and clean. So this is make Python very special and very popular because it's easy to be learned, easy to be understood, and also it saves our time to develop and solve the problems with providing fewer lines of code. Python is a high-level language, as we said. It's providing an abstractions and hiding the details of the computer. That's mean the code is easy to be understood and it's more to the English language. Cross-platform. Cross-platform, when we say cross-platforms, that's mean the Python applications can be applied or deployed in different platforms such as Windows, Linux, or Mac. Huge community. As we just said, like Python already released in 1991. So it has been used for over than 20 years. So there are so many people are experts in Python. So let's assume that you have faced a problem, you just can share and go and find someone to help you. So it has a very huge community. Large ecosystem. There is a lot of libraries, tools, frameworks available in Python that can be used for solve your problems easily. So we can say or learn from today's lessons that Python is powerful for several reasons. It's a high-level language, cross-platform, has a huge community and large ecosystem. It saves our time and also save our time by solving the problems easily, quickly, with fewer lines of code. And also it's so flexible, anyone can use it, anyone can understand it. It's not only limited for the expert or software developers. It's not only limited for solving the complex problem. It's anyone from any discipline can use it, benefit from the powerful and the functions of Python programming language and solve its own problem, even if it's simple problem or routine problems. Thank you so much. I hope that you benefit or you got an overview, an idea about Python, and we have answered the three questions that always comes to our mind. What is Python? What we can do with Python, and why we use Python.